Leading lady, leading lady, leading lady, leading lady.
Almighty God, we give you thanks for this day that we can honor the ladies of the West.
Salutations, lovely of you to be here. I'm seeing all the beautiful, lovely ladies. This was a personal idea of mine. I just wanted to celebrate Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day. Even for those who don't have children, you're always mothering. That's who we are.
Leading lady, leading lady.
Love is the best multivitamin for anything. You think you're too big for your britches? If she swings that footstool like a sword, none shall escape. Fire go blaze. Just one straight look from her.
Leading lady.
Your beautiful hearts, your beautiful parts, your many layers, interlocking, intertwining, creating an exceptional being. Slow down. Look at your glow. This will make you grow. Just let it flow. By nature, you're a mother. Definitely no other.
Every single person inside here has impacted the West in some way, and so thank you for being mothers, thank you for being partners, thank you for being leading lights in this country needs to assist everything good that it can be and will be. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Leading lady, leading lady, leading lady.
Oh my God.
Leading lady, 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 leading lady.